You might be working hard to become a good developer, but what if I told you these 5 simple mistakes are silently holding back your career? Most developers don't even realize they are doing them. So let's find out if you are one of them. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Mistake number 1, getting too comfortable. Comfort zone is the biggest enemy of success. It stops you from growing once you get a stable job or learn some basic coding skills. Many developers come home after work, open Netflix, scroll through reels, and say, I'll start learning tomorrow. But that tomorrow never comes. As a developer, if you stop challenging yourself, your skills start getting outdated. New frameworks, tools, and trends come every few months. And if you don't keep up, you will slowly fall behind. Even giving just 1 hour a day to learn something new will make a big difference. You can build a mini project or read documentation can make a huge difference in your growth. Don't let your comfort become your enemy. Mistake number 2, the I know everything mindset. This is one of the biggest problems for developers. Once you learn a few languages or frameworks, you start feeling like an expert. But in tech, learning never stops. The moment you think you know everything, you actually stop growing. Even senior developers Google basic stuff daily. So stay humble, stay curious. There is always something new to learn or improve. Mistake number 3, not building personal projects. Watching tutorials or reading blogs is fine, but without building real projects, you will never become confident. Projects teach you how to solve real world problems, fix bugs, and handle errors. Start with small projects like a to do list app or a weather app. These projects become your best teachers and your portfolio for jobs. Mistake number 4, not exploring new technologies. Technology changes faster than ever. If you're stuck on old tools and never try new ones, your skills will soon be outdated. So try exploring new library, framework or concept every month. Even for just 30 minutes a day will make a huge difference. You don't need to master everything, but knowing what's new keeps you valuable in the market. Mistake number 5, avoiding responsibility. In every project, things can go wrong, like bugs, delays, miscommunication. So, here many developers blame others instead of taking ownership. So, this is the wrong mindset. Real growth happens when you take responsibility, fix issues, and learn from them. When you take the responsibility of your work, managers trust you more, and you naturally stand out in your team. So these were some common mistakes that are quietly holding you back in your developer career. If you found yourself doing even one of them, don't worry, it's never too late to fix it. Start small, be consistent, and push yourself a little every day. Remember, growth doesn't happen overnight. It happens through small daily improvements. So that's it for today's video. Comment your best part about this video in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.